If you never made a dime online, then don't worry, this video is for you. After watching this video, you can make money like this and even like this. I will show you traffic source which is getting 170 million plus traffic per month, which is a very huge amount of traffic. So you have chance to put your affiliate link in front of that people. I will walk through each and every step in this video, so watch it till the end. In this method, you don't need any money to spend and it works worldwide. You can set it up in just few minutes and you are ready to go. But before we start, if you like this video, then subscribe to my channel, hit the like button which appreciate me a lot to make more videos like that. But without wasting time, let's jump into the video. So I divided this video in little parts. So first step is that to get some affiliate offer which will be promote and get commissions for that. So you can select any product in any niche and from any affiliate marketplace, whether it is Clickbank, whether it is Digistore24, JVju, Warrior Plus, anything you can think of. But for the purpose of this video, we will use Digistore24 because it is worldwide available and everyone has access to it. So go to Digistore24. As you can see, this is Digistore24. Click on register now button and here you can complete a simple process of register by entering your username, your email, your password, select your country. It works worldwide and you can ready to go and click on register for now free, and you can start and you can make your account in just few seconds. Now let me log in into my test account. Now here is my dashboard, and as you can see, by clicking on marketplace you can search many product on that. Now as you can see in the left hand side, there are many categories in which you can select product and make money. There are a lot of categories, as you can see: pet and animals, betting, business, dance, love, email marketing, huge amount of their categories, and you can select any product in any niche you want. As you can see, there are 540 products available to promote and you can make money from this. Now purpose for this video, we will take a product from health and fitness niche because it is a very good niche and very profitable niche. Now let's find a product, and here we can see good products. Like, let me find a good product so that we can promote. Now here are some of the offers. Let me find a good one. So basically, let's choose a product in supplement niche of health and fitness. So go to physical product, click on supplements, and here we can select a product. Now this is product we will select, and here is the average price you can make and your commission percentage. Now $151 we will get to promote. Click on promote now button and here we get our link, but this is saying that our affiliate link will be processed in some days. So now let's select another offer. So we will select this offer. Its average price is this one and we will get almost $100 to promoting this offer. Now click on promote now, and this is our affiliate link which we can promote. Now here's our affiliate link. Now let's shorten this long URL because it is not looking like good. So go to bit.ly.com. Here you can make a free account or just use it without making your account. Now click paste your link. Let me get my link. Now here I will paste my affiliate link so that I can shorten it. Now paste it here and we will shorten it by clicking the shorten button, and here is our short URL which is looking very good, by the way. Now let's so the traffic source which I will show you previously is the medium.com. Basically medium.com is a website where you can share your articles, and it is a huge chance to rank your articles on the first page of Google because medium.com has a high authority to rank your articles. So you can get millions of traffic per month with the help of this product, with this site, and you can make large amount from this. So go to medium.com, make a simple account which is very easy and I will not cover this. Now here you can see, click on this pencil icon which is saying write, and here you can write your article, which I will show you how you can write without you have to know any knowledge about writing an article. So first of all, we have to write a good and catchy, eye-catching title to our article so that people will read it. So let me write a good title. So we will write how to lose weight fast in just 30 days. Here is our title. Now let me tell you how you can write a whole article so that you can promote your link and get traffic to it. So for getting your article, go on google.com and here you can find the article about in which category you are writing. Now my category is weight loss, so I will write how to lose weight, and here you can see that there are many results come, and I will open a link. You can open 5 to 3 links in your browser, and the next step is to see this article, get a small article and a small paragraph from all of this and make a new one, which I'll tell you how you can make this. Now let me copy a small part of this article and go to a website called quillbot.com. basically it's a website which will rewrite your article, which is very SEO friendly, and you will not get any copyright issue. Now paste your article here, click on paraphrase, and it will write a new article for you. Now let me copy this article and come on to medium.com, and here I can paste my article. Now for this video I am taking this article again and again, but you have to make at least a article about 1000 to 2000 words, so that it can help you to ranking fast of your article on the first page of Google. Now let me take my affiliate link. Basically when you complete your this article, then get your affiliate link, and here are two ways to mention your affiliate link in this article. First way, to get any link at the on the word of this page. Now here let me, for this video I am choosing the lose weight, and here I can put my link. Now second method, you can write a catchy headline and catchy line so that your viewers can click on this link. Now let me write a line which is click here to lose weight fast. Now I will highlight this and I will put my affiliate link under this. So now let me put my affiliate link. Here is it is done. Now when you complete this article, then you also have to put affiliate disclosure on your page, saying about that you will get a small chunk of money from this if you buy product from this page, and with no extra cost to the customer, so that it is very friendly and it is affiliate disclosure, so you don't get banned on this website. And you must have to write affiliate disclosure in about 2 to 3 lines, just like I'm writing a dummy affiliate disclosure on this. You can check this and you can write anything else, and you will complete your article from this, and your article is ready to go. Now to making it more attractive, you should also use some images on that, and for getting some images you should use a website called pexels.com. now here you can search any images you want, like I'm searching for weight loss, and here I will get many of these results. As you can see, there are many of images. Now I like this image and I will click on download button. Now it will download on my PC. Now from there you can select any line where you want to put your image. Now click on this plus icon, it will tell you to upload your image. Now here you can select image, which image you want, and click on open, and it will upload on your PC. Because with the help of images your article will look attractive and very good. So when you complete your article, click on publish button, and it will ask you to write some tags. You can write these tags and your article is ready to go, and it will publish on the internet. Now people will come on this article, they will read this, they will like your article, they will also purchase from your product, and you can ready to go, and you can make money from it in just few seconds. It is only a work of 5 to 10 minutes per day. So with the help of this method you can make money very easily without any much investment of your time and money. Just you have to take action and do it yourself by just spending 10 to 15 minutes of your day, and you are ready to go. So it's all about for this video. Thanks for watching my video, and if you like it, then click on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and also share. And if you have any question or you have any query, then please comment on this video and I will reply as soon as I can. So thanks again for watching, and I have some useful videos in my description. You can also check it out, these videos.